Most of the questions we get about the stream are related to uploading music, so let's go through that process step by step. To load music files from your computer to the stream, first plug the device into your computer using the provided USB cable. It's important to note that the headphone jack must be absolutely dry before it's connected. A wet headphone jack may cause the USB connection to fail, meaning that it won't work to transfer files or to charge the battery. Once connected, the stream icon should pop up on your computer's desktop. Double-click the icon to open the device. You'll notice the 15 preloaded music files. Add music to your stream by dragging and dropping your music files or songs from where you store them on your computer to the icon for the device on your desktop. iTunes users will need to convert songs to MP3 format before adding to the stream. First, open iTunes. At the top, choose Preferences and click General, and then click Import Settings. Under Import Settings, in the field next to Import Using, choose MP3 Encoder from the drop-down and click OK to save. Then select one or more songs in your library. While the songs are highlighted, choose File from the menu bar at the top of the page. Then select Convert and create MP3 version. The new MP3 file will show up below the original song in your music library. Now highlight the MP3 version of the song and copy it to the stream icon on your desktop by dragging and dropping. When finished, eject the stream and you're swimming with music.